What's going on, guys? I'm heading to the post office to ship these 2 books. I already made the mistake of wrapping them up separately. Then I realized that they're going to the same person because I sold them on Mercury, and they must have like bought them, saw my page, and bought 2, and I didn't know until after I packaged them up. And as you can see, I kind of went a little crazy on the packaging. So, not that one too much, but yeah, it's just kind of a little bad. So, yeah. But after that, I'm heading to the gym and just hoping I see some people that I knew from like school or like just random people I can meet. I have like 490 some business cards left, 480. Got a pack of 500 like earlier this week, actually. I think on Tuesday. So yeah, I'm trying to pass them out. If nobody knows, I'm a realtor at Coldwell Banker. I was in referrals for Keller Williams for about a year. I just quit my full-time job. I might get like a part-time job, but it's just like they recommended me to just kind of work and I'm one of them people that need to fully focus in, and even like a part-time job can be a distraction, but you know, funds, you need the cash. So in order to freaking do it, you know, you need some cash, because like old methods work, but online's kind of where it's at. You need money to test and stuff like that. But I'm gonna put this down and start heading to the post office, and then I'll put the camera back on when I go inside. But yeah, alright guys. Alright, I'm at the post office, but how I became a realtor at Coldwell Banker, well, I was in referrals. It's actually a funny story. My mom was it was a sports bar my mom was at during the day. On the weekend, I think maybe. During the day, I think it was like probably like 10 months ago, actually. And she met a realtor there that was with Coldwell Banker, and she seemed very helpful, and she let her know that I was a referral agent. I was kind of just getting started. I was kind of lost in the sauce. But she gave her business card and was like, have him contact me if he needs any help. And it was just kind of my wallet, and like, I want to say back in February, March-ish, when I got full-time at the thrift store, well, part-time, then went to full-time, I contacted her and I had to sit down with her, and it went well. And then I then had to sit down with the director of sales. Good conversation. They did more for me in the past couple months than Keller Williams done for me in about a year. Just shipped it. Alright, yeah, I feel so stupid. I didn't realize till after I packaged it up that I'm shipping it to the same person. So I could have saved some money, but I get the books for pretty low, so it was no big deal. But yeah, I need to stop going to the gym so much. I gotta put another hole in my belt. Next thing, sorry, I'm kind of like going from thing to thing to thing. You car people out there, let me know what you think this is. Something's wrong with the air conditioning. It's a 2009 Chevy Impala, I think LT. But I'm going to put the air conditioning on and listen to the sound. I don't know what it is. Okay, here we go. Now here, I'm going to hit the air conditioning on. Prepare. It's like knocking. Can somebody please... I feel the air. But please, somebody tell me what that knocking is. And then, watch. I turn it off. This sucks because it's summertime and it's hot. Alright, I'll just put the heat on. I turn the air off and it still does that for like a minute or 2 more. I'll keep it on until it stops, but... Can you guys still hear it in the background? But yeah, comment below what's going on with the car. Because I'm not trying to have the air conditioning on with that. And it's just annoying. I'm trying to listen to like audiobooks and like self-help podcasts. And with the windows down, I don't want other people to like, oh, this guy's weird. He's not average like us listening to music. But I'm about to hit the gym, guys, so I'll come back to this when I'm there, and probably when I'm after the gym, honestly. And then I'm gonna go thrifting, so yay. And as you can see, well, not see, but it's still doing that. But yeah, all right guys, let's just keep it going until that just knocks off. But yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna vlog at the gym because I'm trying to read this book here. Alright guys, I don't know when it's gonna stop. I'll just cut the video off. See you guys. Wow, there it is. Oh, thank God I couldn't press the button. Okay, that's how long that did that for. Please comment below. But alright guys, bear with me here. I'm at the gym, but this is like my first like official vlog video, but I actually quit the thrift store I was at for I think almost 5 months, because I went from part-time 9 to 4:30 Monday to Friday. Well, Monday to Thursday I actually had my Fridays off then, and the weekends, Friday and the weekends completely off. And then the full-time guy found out a job and wanted to go part-time 3 days a week, but they didn't let him. They wanted him 4 days, same schedule that I had. He put his 2 weeks in. They sent him back early. Then they hired a person that was working there. Then I went from 9 to 4:30 Monday to Thursday to 8 to 4:30 Monday through Friday, which sucked because the post office closed at 5 at my place. It would be a 20-minute drive to work. They open at 8:30. I'm at work at 8, so like I'd have to literally beat the clock in rush hour traffic to make it home to ship my packages. So that killed me. And it's just like the days I need for real estate. So I want to make the jump, but I'm still living at home. I know, guys, me and my girl are about to get our own place, but the truth, you know, I'm being transparent. But I'm probably gonna get a part-time third shift job, maybe a FedEx, UPS, just doing like 4 hours, like 3 days a week at nighttime, maybe, because my girl works third shift and I like exercising. Obviously, I'm at the gym, so I'll probably just take pre-workout in 4 hours because they have them shifts. And I think if you're doing physical labor like that for 8 hours, you have some psychological problems. Just kidding. But I don't know, 4 hours, that's like a nice little workout. I need energy throughout the day. I have my shower stuff. Got my shower stuff with no towel. Great. There's no good flavors. No good flavors. Yo, this flavor is actually pretty good. Anybody ever had this before and like it? Comment below. This shit's actually slapping. I'm sorry I judged you. I'm talking to myself outside the gym. I just left the gym, and on top of the towel, I forgot deodorant. So I didn't even take a shower because I didn't even do that much cardio to the point where I'd sweat like I do at nighttime. So yeah, bummer, but remember that for next time, towel and deodorant. But the convenience about the gym being where it's at, Goodwill is right there, so looks like I'm gonna go in there. I'm not gonna record, I'm sorry. I might start recording later and try to, but it's just awkward, guys. Sorry. But yeah, just checking in. Alright, see you soon. Bye. Guys, I don't have the tripod on again, but I just left Goodwill. I got 2 books. I scanned like pretty much the whole section. The one book's like $23 profit, the other one's like $16, so it's around like 30-some, 40-some dollars profit. Maybe closer to 30 after fees and shipping costs, but not too bad for spending $2. I mean, I was probably in there for like maybe an hour, but on my way to Salvation Army now. See you soon. Here comes Salvation Army, people. In there for like an hour too long. I just got 1 book, and it's like a read for myself. Anybody read this yet? Comment in the comments below, please. Let me know if I didn't just waste my dollar. Found 1 book for 50 cents. Goes on Amazon for like $35, $25. Then I found like a Spectra case for 50 cents, like for tablets and whatnot. And that's, I don't know how much that's going for. I know that I can resell it for probably locally $5. Online probably like 10, hopefully. I'm not sure. But yeah, now I'm gonna go home and pick up my girlfriend because she was sleeping. She works third shift. Probably gonna go to community aid, so hopefully not too many. Today's not really that great of a day because it's Thursday and half off day was yesterday, but that means they stocked a lot of stuff and find a couple good reads. So yeah, stay tuned. Guys, this is great. I actually have an example. I'm not trying to get too close to the truck in front of me to reveal their license plate, but this is the second time within the past couple of days that I've seen this. Dogs, big dogs, German Shepherds, riding in the back of a fucking truck bed. Part of my language, I don't know. I talked to my girl about this. She said that's normal because I saw one like at the parking lot with it on it. Like chilling, like, okay, you're leaving your dog in the truck bed, which is cooler than in the car, I mean. But when you're driving, like, isn't that dangerous? That's one more thing I want people to comment below. If you guys own a truck and you guys like take your pets, is it safe to drive with them in the back going like 60? Please let me know, because I'm on a road right now with the speed limit's 55. But you know, people usually go 60, 65 because that's what they do. But just comment below, because I think it's wrong. I mean, it's cooler to leave your dog in the back of a truck bed when you're going somewhere. But then again, if it's a German Shepherd, that's safety hazard. Like, it could bite somebody, then you have to put the dog down. And or when you're driving, it's just, in my opinion, straight up dangerous. I rode in the back of a truck bed before uncomfortably as I was going tubing, waiting, you know, but we weren't driving that fast, but it's still uncomfortable. But let me know what you guys think. I'm on my way back from the low-key thrift spot, and it just really made me want to do something here. So stay tuned.